Those words I say and telling me what it means to me. Hello!
Good morning.
Every single day.
Good
Nagpag-isip
morning,
para
Boss
sa bata.
Enrico.
Oh, thank you, Jeffy. Thank you. You are late to tell me that, Jeffy. Come to me and hold me. You will see the love again. You still hold the key. Every single day, you always ask this way. Nakukuba ako.
Tumayo ka kaya?
This is all I know. Nagpapalata tayong lima na may new team tapos anong testing? Testing, Kelly? Anong testing? Even the sky. Si Boss Enrico is there. He will record.
I have. Later, I can.
For this season. Sa
I can
kabilang
record.
phone mo gamitin. Yung kabilang phone gamitin.
Hindi, ito.
Ay, Lomi! Thank you for
Ito.
coming. Sige,
Ito nga gamitin
bahala
ko.
ka.
Ito yung bago eh. Mas maganda.
Uy, si Totoy Martini hindi sumasagot. Every single day. Ayoko nga nitong I'll never do na to. Kaya nga, tinatawagan ko din siya. Bulog siya.
Hindi, nagpunta siya sa akin kagabi. Madaling araw ako ako. Angas.
The all-new Mitsubishi Triton.
Thank you, Jai.
Smile.
Ano? Nagpunta siya sa akin kagabi. Sabi niya mag-alarm daw siya.
Eh, bakit ganun? Wala pa siya. 10 minutes
Nag-live,
na lang. 9 minutes na lang.
nag-live ako kagabi. Live ako ng tulog.
I'll kill you all. Bala kayo dyan. Tatay! Handa na gift ko kayo. And show your nose. What? Ano yun? Smile and show your nose.
Kalma.
Baby,
Oh, baby, kalma.
Just have fun.
Baby, kalma.
Oo, I miss banana. Ulala.
JP, ayan ka na naman, JP.
Really?
Okay, wait. I can't.
Wag mo nang ano yun, ate. Hayaan mo lang. Hayaan mo
Wait.
lang.
Okay.
Huwag kang mag-red carpet! Hayaan mo.
Oh, yung dami nga.
Isang lang. Nakita ko, 29.
Ang dami.
Na kaya. Hayaan mo lang.
Huwag mo ako i-record. Mamaya mo na i-record, ate. Mamaya mo na i-record.
Nalilikaw. Uy, Draki! Thank you for coming. Ulala! Thank you.
Tracky, hello.
Natumatayo. Wala talaga akong boses.
How are you, Tracky?
Damaas. Kahit hindi mo alam, ilang beses mo kong niligtas. Ikaw ang hantungan at aking wakas. Then I can lose them again. Hey, Pogi!
Oy, malapit na. Baba na ako.
May aakyat nga, oh. Si Ivy.
Sino?
Ay, sige na.
Bababa na ako. Wait na.
Hello, Ate Ivy.
Good morning everyone. I'm your host for today. My name is Heidi and thank you for joining the VIP Game Time Battle. Hi Jeppy, good morning. Okay. Kelly, are you ready?
Yes.
See,
Aha.
I'm ready na.
Yes, I'm ready.
Wow, your battle will be recorded and put it on our Instagram channel, the VIP Game Time Battle, Instagram and YouTube. Actually, YouTube.
Okay.
And put it on our YouTube channel. And then, guys, please do subscribe. And this is going to be one round. One round, one round, one round. So drop anything. Kindly please check your opponent, Kelly, if she is visible on your VS list. Fresh kagya ha, oy.
Yeah, I see. I see, Janine.
You see.
I see
Okay,
Janine.
you will call, who's that? Janine. Okay. and then, no second gadget, no self-support. Good luck, Kili. Put smile on your face and enjoy the battle. Good luck, everyone. Kelly! Good
Ay!
luck!
Ano ba?
Relax! Ano ba yan?
Nakasmile naman ako.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Kalisa. Thank you. Kili try to sit. Ano? Kili. May kili is pawis na. May kili is pawis na. What the heck? Oh my God, Lucky, pagigat, at woman ka per. Hi all. Kahit nung di ko alam, ilang 5 minutes, tingin na, wag na nagka-countdown. Hey, Sisi! Wow, thank you for coming, Sisi. Charles, Charles. And the Calvo brothers. Oy, where is Pops? Jay. Where's Pops? Amy is there. Ay, Amy, hello, thank you. Grabe, nanginginig yung kamay ko. Nanginginig yung kamay ko, hindi ko mapindot. Julie. You are mine now. Nanginginig nga yung hands ko. You were just a dream that I once... Dapat talaga huwag na ako kumante. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need. Thank you, Mighty. I'll make you right, hold on. Bayo ni Jay. Bakit? Lovely voice. Thank you guys for coming. All those years I've longed to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you. Congrats in advance. Oh, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Wishing you would be mine. Just can't believe that you are mine now. Thank you. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need for the tour. Time and again, there was the changes that we cannot end. Oh my God. As sure as stars keeps going on and on, my love for you will be forever mine. Alam? Rocky, not yet. Call her, good luck. Okay na? I'll start na po. Oh my God! I'll start na. Wait, nanginginig yung hands ko. Sana hindi ako mait. Okay. Let's go. Thank you. Excited.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Excited naman yung job.
Thank you.
Hello po. Thank you.
Uy, kinakabahan na talaga ako.
Ako din. Oh. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aditya.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, guys. Lagyan natin ng sounds, ha?
Wow, sana all.
Nakabahan ako. Thank you, Katuman, Sisi. Thank you. Oh, what the heck?
Thank you, Bisaya.
OMG, thank you.
Ala, sana all.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
A like would be appreciated.
Thank you, Ate Rocky. Thank you.
Subscribe.
Woo!
Wow, masagda, oy.
Covers
Grabe,
PH.
kinakabahan ako.
Mahiya man talaga tayo. Ay, thank you, everyone. La Chris,
Oh,
thank you.
grabe. Wow! Thank you, Amy. Thank you. Thank you, Jay. Thank you. Ate Chanel!
Wow.
Oh my God. Thank you, guys. Oh my God.
Go na, go.
It's okay po. It's okay. It's okay, Ate Chanel. Thank you. Oh, it's okay, Rex. It's okay. Oh, thank you for the, thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys.
Oh my God. Please don't disappear. These are the words that you should hear. Parting time pa nga.
Thank you, Camel.
Thank you po.
Wow,
Thank you.
congrats, Kelly.
Thank you. Wow. Thank you, ate.
Thank you.
Thank you for the Vegas. Thank you. Ah, grabe mo. Ate Janine, BS kita ulit. Later, BS kita ulit. Ah, Accept mo ha. I-accept mo ha. Thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I-BBS kita ulit. Huwag kang aalis. Wait lang. I-BBS ko siya ulit. Doon pala nag-ano na lang kami. Wait lang. I-BBS ko siya ulit. Thank you po. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. I-BBS ko siya ulit. Ooh, may pahabol pa. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my God. Round 1 lang. Oo, dat pala. Nirematch mo. Ay! What is this?
Ay, congrats, Kay.
Oh my God! Dami! Ano yun? Uy, ayan na. Dali. Tama na. Uy, tama na. Tama na, guys. Tama na.
Give her
Ay,
1
nadali.
M na.
Wait lang. Grabe kayo, guys.
Ay, Tompa.
Yay!
Yan, Tompa.
Man, is loading. Layo pa.
Yan, tingnan mo man.
Hold on. Grabe siya,
Oy.
uy.
Tompa. Thank you. Appreciate
Thank you guys. Thank you so much po.
so much.
Wait lang, Ate Janina.
Okay lang.
Mag-share ako,
Wow,
mag-share.
thank you, Mr. B.
Hold on.
Thank you so much.
Just smile for me and let the day begin. Wala akong makita. Reset.
Okay na. Ano ra siya? PS. Winner na siya, Chris. Thank you,
Tapos
Chris.
na po. Tapos na po. Wait lang, bakit ganun? Hindi ko makita.
Oh. Yeah, 1 in is coming na for Kelly. Oh la la.
Grabe kayo!
First battle kaya. Oh, thank you.
Gusto ko yung jet eh. Hindi ko makita yung...
Boy, Kelly. Thank you, Kel.
Hindi ko makita yung jet. Bakit wala yung jet?
Sana all may budget.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Ate Janine.
Thank you. Congrats to you. Your first battle.
Oo nga eh. Thank you din. Thank you guys for supporting me. Oh my God. Papamilti na si Kelly sa atin.
Sana all.
Hello po. Yung kilik-kilik ko
Si
nagbabasa.
Alma. Hi. Oh,
May
thank you,
pamakbo.
Ate Alma.
Mamaya. Oh, later. Charot. Grabe kayo. Uy, Tommy, thank you. Jay, thank you so much po. Thank you.
Everyone.
Thank you guys. Sino pa ba yan? Grabe. Hindi ko na maisip kung sino-sino kayo ah.
Marami sila.
Nabubuang na
Thank
ako.
you, Miss ID.
Thank you po. Ate Cookie. Ate Cookie. Thank you, Sir Cookie. Miss ID. Thank you so much. Sisi. Thank you so much. Sorry naman. Tatay Sunny. Hello. Yeah. Thank you, Ate Eureka.
Yeah, everyone.
Nakakaloka kayo guys. Thank you so much. JJ, thank you. Thank you, Ate Chanel. Another one. Tama na po. Grabe, grabe sila, oy. Grabe sila, oy. Yung puso ko, nagsisumisikip yung puso ko. Thank you, Boss Enrico.
You want to get
Thank
100%
you.
nourishment? Kaya! With Lactum 3 Plus. Expertly formulated with Lactum's highest level of DHA. Tulong para 100% nourished ang brain, immunity, at bones. Panatag ako sa Lactum.
Grabe, parang akong nahirapan. Thank you. Thank you. Kuya. Kuya. Para akong ano, para akong ewan. Uy, ba't ayaw niyo mag-box? Mag-box kayo. Stepler! I don't know. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my God. Jump na kayo! Jump na!
Congrats! Congratulations! I'm still there. Ala, Tompa! Thank you! Thank you so much.
Hey, Tommy! Thank you, oy!
Thank
Grabe
you.
ka naman!
Oy, sana all. May pa-dragon.
Binaliw mo naman ako, Toma! Grabe yun!
Tommy! Alala, Tommy!
Grabe talaga yung dibdib ko. Alam mo, hindi ko na maintindihan. Ah! Wala ako niyan. Send that to me. Grabe.
Nasa GC.
Talaga. Hanggang ngayon yung puso ko tumitibok. Nakatago ako. My heart.
Ito isa. Ito. Nasa GC. Punta ka sa GC. Sinend ni Ate Kat. Kaya nga, pinakita ko lang. Ang ganda kaya. Uy, alam mo, wala yung 100 na ano, na jet.
Wala nga. Yun yung
Ang sinend ko yung 200 at saka yung isa. Yung 200 na ano, na jet. Wala dito yung isa. Ano yung sinend ko?
Ate Kat,
Yung isa. Oh my God! May pag-jet! Uy, Tompa! May pag-jet! May pag-jet ulit. Okay, kita yung ulo ko. Ay, na-screenshot yun. 1M. Gusto niya i-hit yung 1M. Wow. Plus 4.
grabe talaga. Hindi pa rin nawawala yung yung kabanan ng dibdib.
1M. Tommy, 1M, 1M, 1M. Tommy. Tommy. 1M, 1M, 1M. Oo nga, kailangan mo tubig. Tubig. Lakas pa rin ng ulan, no? Iiyak na yan. Iiyak na yan.
Pagkatapos na, hanggang tayo na po. Sige. Hanggang
Itagi? Anong itagi, ate ka? Bakit? Bakit kasi ang lungkot ng kanta mo, Kylie? Andi niya naririnig. One M na, 1M, 1M, 1M. Wala na, hindi nakita. Ay, ano ba yan, ate ka? Hindi mo sinabi. Tommy up. Tommy up. I'm at work, guys. Oh. Say cheese.
Congrats, level 59, Tommy. Hey, Tommy, thank you, ah. Thank you so much, Tom. Thank you. Sino pa ba? I will say thank you to all my gifters.
Top 1.
See you.
Tumpa.
Top 1! Oh my God.
Top 1.
Top 1, Tommy. Thank you. Tommy Catwoman, Mr. J, Ina, Ate Rocky, Angel Eyes, Jack, Boss Enrico,
Philippines is
Pagigad,
Antipolo is signal number 2.
Pagigad, Sisi, Rocky, Jeffy, Amy, Eureka, Sir Cookie, Chanel,
Uy, have a wither here.
Mads, Mr. D,
Signal number 2.
Oh my God, Jake, Jai, Mighty, Mackenzie, ID, Sunita, kay Sunita. I thank you guys. Thank you so much. All time top. Ay, really? Ikaw yung top. Wait lang, tingnan natin. Oh my God, Catwoman, you're my top 1! Yay! Yay! Happy siya. Ate Ina.
Oy, top 4 ako, wag kang ano. Ay, pengi. Top 4 ako, gagi.
Hindi, balik.
Wait lang, hindi pala.
Si Boss Miles yung top 4 ko.
Di ba, wala yun. Hindi, akala ko doon sa ano, naghang. Top 10. Oy, pengi, gusto ko yan. Baste, hello. Ay, pengi. Dalhan mo ako dito sa kabila. Ay, wag na pala. Umuulan.
Mamaya. Lalabas
Mamaya,
ako.
nadadaanan ko na lang.
Lalabas.
Dadaan na lang ako dyan.
Alis ako 10. Mag-end ako ng 10.
Alis ka ng 10? Umuulan pa eh. Morning. May bagyo kaya. Signal number 2 tayo.
Ang dami. Lalagpas.
Signal number 2 ang Antipolo. Hala, nagre-record ko pa nga pala si Ate Kat. Uy, palta mo yung music mo, ang lungkot. Boss Enrico, I want donut also.
Garfield, dinner time! The eating you're about to see will not be pretty. When this indoor cat,
Thank you.
you saw nothing, goes on an outdoor adventure.
Ay, gusto ko yan, Ate Jayco. Gusto ko yan, Jayco. Jack!
Thank you, Jack. Oy, thank you for coming, Jack. Thank you for coming.
Signal number 1 na.
Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Up to my right, and I see the Hollywood
Kailan?
sign. This is all so crazy.
Bakit na?
Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. It's when the
Yan,
taxi makes
okay na
it on the radio. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play.
Leli, multitasking, live sa pupo. Naka-live ako sa pupo. Multitasking.
Screenshot
Ano yan?
ni Kepler.
Ala, oo nga.
Get to the club in my taxi cab. Everybody's
Naka-story sa kanya.
like, who's that chick that's
Jack, you know Okaka?
from out of town? So hard with my girls not around me. Is that
Jay knows na Okaka.
party? 'Cause all I see is the letter. I guess I never got the memo. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm
Jack, you know na Okaka?
And the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was
Okaka.
on. So I put my hands
You know Okaka.
butterflies fly away. Nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Got my hands to playing my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA.
It was explained to me. Was explained to you, Jay, or was Boss Martine. Sana all. I like the donut. Kelly. Uy, idaan mo na lang dito. Saan ka ba dadaan? Andito ako sa kabila. Pumunta sa kabila. Oh, Gay and Atikat. Wait, ano pala yung 30?
I'm at a payphone trying to call
Yung binigay ni Ana
home all
kanina.
of my change I spent
Uy, nag-level up ako dun sa, sa jet.
Where have the times gone?
Nag-26 level up
It's
ako.
all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two?
Mackenzie, thank you.
I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be.
Thank you.
It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in that time that you wasted, all
Mag-on din
our
pag may time.
bridges burned out. I wasted my nights.
Asan na yung
You
isa kong
turned
silent
out the
ayaw?
lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still
Ang sorry yun, dapat pala inunod ko na lang.
when we called
Ayun na nga, yung lumabas yung ano, yung 100 na jet.
Baka wala kang
Wala sa kanina. Kaya tapos yung 200 wala naman. Nag-all-in. Ayun pa nandun pa rin. Pero hindi naman ginawa. Dapat tatlong ganyan eh. Bakit?
yung yung chat niya sa message.
Wait lang. Hindi ko makikita. Kalit ako sa pupo. Para matapos ko mag-ano. Ay, nakita ko. Oh, lala, sana all. Sana all. Sana all. Boss Enrique, you're still there? Are you're going to sleep? I think Boss Enrique is not here na.
Fuck that shit. I'll be out spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Made it from the bottom, now when you see me, I'm stunning.
Ate, sorry di ako maka-up, Boss Ladies.
Telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever you call it. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on the show, you could tell it I'm ballin'. Switch.
Babax.
Shame could've got picked.
Ate Kat, up ka na. Mag- Uy, Ate Kat. Up ka na. Black na yan. Black na yan. Charot. Magpayong ka. Payong. Ate Kat, up na. Ano mo, hindi ako nakatulog. Ang lakas ng ulan ng madaling araw. O, signal number 1 lang pala, Antipolo.
Where is the moment we need it the most?
Ah, di ba? Ang ingay na dito.
The leaves and the magic is lost.
Ano ba yan?
Tell me your blue skies
Wait lang, hindi ko makita eh.
Tell me your passion's gone away, and I don't need no carrying on. Stand in the line just to hit a new low. You're faking a smile with the coffee go. And tell me your life's been way offline.
Ate Kat, up na.
Every time, and I don't need no carrying on. 'Cause you had a bad day, you're taking one down. You sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie. You're working a smile and you go for a ride. You had a bad day, the camera don't lie. You're coming back down and you really don't mind. You had a bad day. You had a bad day.
Si Ate Kat. Ate Kat. Hi, Katrina.
Well, you need a blue sky
Ate Kat.
all the day. The point is they laugh at why.
Sigurado may mag-ano na naman dyan. May magsiselos na naman. Ah, kung ano na naman sasabihin, kung ano-ano na naman nagagawin.
Sad song just to turn it around. You said you don't know, tell me don't lie.
Hindi naman ako nagbanggit ang pangalan eh.
And you go for a ride. You had a bad day.
Mackenzie, calling me?
You're coming back down.
Ah,
Really don't
okay lang yan. That is raffle draw.
Sometimes the system goes on the blink and the whole thing it turns out wrong. You might not make it back and you know that you could be well, that's wrong. And I'm not wrong. So where was the passion you needed the
Magdo!
Oh,
Magdo!
you kick up the leaves and the magic is lost. 'Cause you had a bad day. You take one down.
Why?
Sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know.
Okay, Katrina.
Wait lang, babalik ako ako.
You had a bad
Papunta.
day. You see what you like and how does it feel? One more time. You had a bad day. You had a bad day.
Wala siya. Where are you? Drink coffee. Agmaan na, madami. Init. Dami.
Mainit talaga yan, lalo lumamig pa. May kausap ko pa naman dyan.